Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome back to Social Studies class. Children, in our today's session, we are going to do the exercise part of chapter 4, Climate. This you can write it in your notebook. So first of all, write down the date, today's date, then subject, Social Studies, chapter 4, Climate. It is there in your textbook on page number 28. So let's begin. A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time is called dash. Yes, children? What will be the answer? Yes, weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Weather. Number 2. The rays of the sun fall vertically on the land near the dash, but are slanting near the dash. Yes, children, I know that you all are aware of this question's answer. Yes, very good. The rays of the sun fall vertically on the land near the equator, E-Q-U-A-T-O-R. Write down the spelling correctly. But are slanting near the poles. P-O-L-E-S. Poles. Write E and P capital. Done? Okay. Number 3. The hit zone within which the equator lies is the dash zone. Yes? The hit zone within which the equator lies is the dash zone. Equator. Equator lies in which zone? Yes, correct. It lies in the torrid zone. So, we'll write here torrid. T-O-R-R-I-D. Torrid zone. Next. Number 4. The hit zone farthest from the equator is the dash zone. That means which hit zone is too far from the equator? Yes, very good. Frigid zone. Okay. Number 5. The hit zone which enjoys a mild climate is the dash zone. So, which zone has mild climate? Yes, absolutely correct. That is temperate zone. Okay. Temperate zone has very mild climate. Number 6. The amount of water vapor in the air is known as dash. Yes, children? Recall and tell me the answer. The amount of water vapor in the air is known as, very good, humidity. H-U-M-I-D-I-T-Y. Humidity. Okay, H-U-M-I-D-I-T-Y. Humidity. Next. Number 7. As we go up on a mountain, it becomes dash cooler, or warmer? The temperature reduces as we go up on a mountain. So it becomes cooler. Very good. COOLER. Cooler. Okay. Next, it's question B. Right, true or false. Number 1. Climate changes from day to day. Yes, children? Climate changes from day to day or weather changes from day to day? Yes, weather changes from day to day. So, this statement is false. So, here I'll write false. 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 Number 2. The air in deserts has low humidity. So, the air in deserts has low humidity. This statement is true. 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 Number 3. During the summer months, days are longer near the equator than far away from it. Yes, even this statement is true. So, I'll write here TRUE. True. Next, number 4. Most places in the temperate zone has a mild climate. Yes, most places in the temperate zone have mild summers as well as mild winters. Okay, so this statement is true. Number 5. The climate near the equator is hot and wet. Again, it is true. The climate near the equator is hot as well as wet.
Question C. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the difference between weather and climate? Answer. Point 1. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere in a particular place or time. Point 2. Climate is the weather condition that prevails over a large area over a long period of time. Question 2. How does the climate of a place affect the people living there? Answer. The climate affects the clothes the people wear, the kind of food they eat, and the type of house they live in. And here is our question 3. Name the 5 important factors that determine the climate of a place. Answer. Distance from the equator, height above sea level, distance from the sea, winds, and the amount of moisture in the air, that is humidity. These are the 5 important factors that affects the climate. Number 4. How do winds affect the climate of a place? Answer. Point 1. Winds tend to flow in particular directions in different parts of the world. Point 2. They may be hot, cool, or full of moisture depending on where they come from. Point 3. For example, the monsoon winds from the Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea bring rain to large parts of India. Point 4. The hot winds from the Thar desert make Delhi very hot during summer. Point 5. Thus, the climate of an area is affected by the winds.
On page number 29, we have multiple choice questions. Number 1. The climate of a place is affected by dash. A. Distance from the equator. B. Humidity. C. Height above sea level. And D. All of these. Yes, the climate of a place is affected by all these factors. So, this answer D, that is option D, is the correct answer. All of these. Option D is the correct answer. Mark it in the textbook, or else you can write it in your notebook. Number 2. Which of these zones receive the maximum heat from the sun? A. Tropical zone. B. Frigid zone. C. Temperate zone. D. All of these receive equal amounts of heat. Read the question twice if you don't understand what it is. Which of these zones receive maximum heat from the sun? So, of course, the torrid zone, or A is the correct option, that is tropical zone. Tropical zone is also called as torrid zone. Okay, this is the zone which gets maximum heat from the sun. Number 3. A city is expected to have a moderate climate if it is dash. A. Near the equator, near the sea, near the mountains, and D. Near the poles. Yes, option B is the correct answer. A city is expected to have a moderate climate if it is near the sea. Number 4. If the latitude of a place is 30 degree north, it lies in the dash. A. Tropical zone. B. North temperate zone. C. Frigid zone. And D. South temperate zone. So, children, option B is the correct answer, that is north temperate zone. Number 5. A city lies on the equator. It is located on the plains far away from the coast. Its climate is expected to be dash. A. Hot throughout the year. B. Cold throughout the year. C. Hot in summers and cold in winters. And D. Neither very hot nor very cold. Here the question is, a city lies on the equator. So, on the equator, how is the climate, children? Yes, A is the correct option, that is hot throughout the year. Very good. So, that's it with our today's class. Thank you. Goodbye. Stay home and stay safe. Bye-bye.